In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a record in Zoho CRM. If you need to make changes to an existing lead in Zoho CRM, the process is very simple once you know where to go. This is useful anytime you want to correct information, add missing details, or keep your records current so your CRM stays accurate and organized. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all menu options are visible and ready to use. Working from the main dashboard makes it easier to navigate directly to the record you want to update. Next, click on the Leads section. This will open the area where all your lead records are stored. In Zoho CRM, leads typically contain contact and business details for potential customers. So this is where you'll go if the record you want to edit is saved as a lead. After opening the Leads tab, you'll see a list of available records. From here, locate the specific record you want to update. You can scroll through the list and identify it manually. If you have many records, it helps to look carefully at the visible details so you select the correct one before making any changes. Taking an extra second here can help prevent editing the wrong record. Once you find the correct record, click on it to open the full record view. This page gives you access to the information already stored for that lead, and from here you can freely update the record as needed. You might edit existing details, fill in missing fields, or revise information so everything reflects the most current status. As you make your updates, review the information carefully for accuracy and completeness. Clear and updated records help improve follow-up, reporting, and overall CRM management. Even small corrections can make a big difference later when you or your team need to rely on the data. When you're done making your changes, click Save. This will apply the updates to the record and store the latest version in Zoho CRM. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that your edits appear correctly on the record page. And that's it. That's how to update a record in Zoho CRM. Once you get familiar with this process, keeping your CRM records up to date becomes fast and easy, helping you maintain cleaner data and a more efficient workflow.